Hi everyone, this is the new Hoverfly electric scooter. It's 25-mile range, 500-watt motor, has 2 speeds, 15 mile per hour and a 20 mile per hour. Beautifully well-designed scooter. The handbrake has the front headlight for night rides. Little bell. The LED display to install. It comes with 4 bolts. You just simply install these 4 bolts right here to install the neck to the scooter. Now to fold this, you simply lift this up, pull it out, and it just folds down. Very nice. Very simply, you could put it in the back seat of a car, the trunk, and to lift it up, simply go like this, and you simply snap. The scooter offers 10-inch solid honeycomb tires. Run flat tires. They're very solid, very hard, but they're rubber enough where it gives you a nice ride. It offers a dual front suspension as well. This is the charging point. You simply open this up. This is where the charging cord goes into. It's nice, it's weatherproof. The build quality is exceptional. Very solid, no movement at all. Everything's oiled and maintained well. This is the brake light. Now it offers a 2-speed mode. This is the 15 mile per hour speed mode. This is the 20 mile per hour speed mode. And to simply turn on the headlights and the tail lights, hold down the plus button. Now this scooter does offer a walk feature, which is very nice. So if the battery is dying and you just need to walk with it, it's a low power mode. You just hold the minus button and it simply stays at a 1 mile per hour mode and you simply can walk with it. Hey guys, so overall, I love my Hoverfly scooter. It's amazing. Top speed is great. Gets me where I'm going. 25-mile range is fantastic. Overall, A+. Thank you, Hoverfly.